Hello, today I will be giving you a tutorial on Blender 2.5. To begin, we're going to go with moving. To move, you push in the middle wheel on your mouse, and you can rotate around your cube. Pretty easy. And you can also change your views by going to Views, and clicking your view. You want to view it for the camera, top, or maybe the left, however you want. And you may be wondering how you get this cube. To get your cube, you go to Add, Mesh, and there's your cube. There's also a few other ones here. There's cylinder, there's your circle, the UV sphere, and there's some other things here. There's text. And yeah, so now we're going to go to modes. Right now we're in object mode, which is like adding objects and stuff. Now we're going to go into edit mode, which you can do other things in, like playing around with vertices and stuff. And right now our selection is vertices, so we can select it by vertices. But maybe we'll want to move into edges. So to do that, we're going to right click, and it selects the edge. And maybe we want to select a face. We're going to right click, and we can select the whole face. Just gonna rotate around there. And some hotkeys are, if you push X, you can delete. You can delete your vertices, or if we go back into object mode, you can delete the whole thing. And another one is A, which selects everything, or deselects it. See, my camera is selected back there. And let's go back into edit mode. And B is so another way you can select your vertices and stuff. See, well, since I'm in face mode, I selected that much. But now I have my faces selected. And now we're going to go into keyframes. So to be able to move your shapes around, you're going to start off with this thingy at 0. So it should say 0 there. You're going to hit I. Oh wait, I need to go into object mode. You need to be in object mode. Hit select it. I, location, I, rotation. And then you're going to move this thing to however many frames you want. I'm going to move it to 10. It'll be real quick. And then you move your cube. And then hit I, location, I, rotation. Now location is moving and rotation is like turning your cube, so we don't really need that right now, but sometimes you will, like when you're moving your camera or anything like that. And then we're going to hit, and then we have our moving thing. So keyframes, and see, we have a moving cube. Now we're going to go to rendering and saving. So you're going to hit this camera, and if you want to render an image, you're going to click image after you have everything set. So my resolution is 920 by 1080, and it's going to look half as good. I don't know why. So you can change that, but the better the resolution, the longer it takes to render. This is the frame range, so right now it'll end at frame 250. I'm going to want that somewhere around here. That'll be good. And it's 24 frames per second, so it's pretty good. And since it's a picture, we're going to want it to be PNG. But if we're doing a video, we want it to be MPEG. I'll go to that later. And this is, that's where you can save it for video. And so if we're doing a image, we're going to hit render image. And there's our cube. And then we will go over to image, save as image. And then we are going to pick wherever we want to save it. But I'm not going to save this. And if we're going to render an animation, you pick where you want to render it, which is here, and you're going to change this to MPEG, because that's probably the best video format. And then you pick where you want to save it. And you set all this stuff. And then you hit animation, and it'll automatically save it. And make sure it's not set on one of these pictures, otherwise you'll have a ton of different pictures of that slowly moving across, and that can get kind of annoying, so you don't want to do that. Thanks for watching. Bye.